What is going on, guys? We're back with more unboxing videos. However, I know that there's three things. There's glue, a knife, and WD-40. So go ahead and choose which one you want me to unbox. You have selected key shape folding knife. Great option, great choice, because this folding knife is actually, I got it from Harbor Freight. Freight, yeah, freight, because it's like rate. But either way, just like I got my chainsaw, we'll go ahead and unbox this 2-inch long key shaped folding knife. However, it is legal to carry a can as long as it's knife is no longer than 4 inches. You can use it anywhere. And yeah, the reason I got this is actually because I deal with a lot of opening like exactly videos. So like whenever we unbox a certain thing, I decided to get it. Look, it's like a heart-shaped V, or it's like a heart. If you flip it over, it's a heart, but like one of the heart is actually like crooked, and this one's kind of slim. So this part of the heart, it's actually like way better. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. Well, we didn't really unbox it. We just what's the other term of unboxing? I don't know. Yeah, look, it makes a heart. Yay. Yeah. So anyways, I wanted to mention again, here are the dimensions for it. 2 by 11 by 64 inches. Length is 7 by 8. Width is 7 by 32. Folded. So this will make like a good, in case you need to put it on your, car keys or lanyard. So this would work out. Um, of course, we have the warning, sharp blade. If you need to iron the sharp blade, you can always take it. Um, I I don't know how to sharpen blades, but I will learn soon. Fold after use. Wear anti-approved safety goggles and heavy-duty gloves for during use. In case you don't want to get cut or you want to get something in your eye. Use intended only. Inspect before every use. Do not use if parts loose or damaged. That is really important because I have this little cut right here on my. I don't know if you could see it, but that cut right there. I remember I got this cut because I was using a knife, and I just got an Xbox, and I was so happy that I was opening the Xbox, and then I literally like sliced that, and I was like, I'm gonna say I was pretty young. So but I remember that. I'll never forget this scar. Like I could see, like, in a way I could see my pulse, like a little ball. That was crazy. I was freaking out about that. So I believe that, like, you got to be careful whenever you're opening something excited. And there, yeah, like, and I remember drinking Sprite to get over, like, to calm my nerves and stuff. I know, I guess different people come with different ways to cope and like try avoid freaking out. But yeah, we're looking at this, and this is it, guys. Whoa, this caught my skin. What the? I don't know what it was, but it caught my skin. Yeah, this is actually the key knife. So I think this is pretty good. Let me see. I'll find out how sharp it is. I don't wanna. Yeah, I'm not supposed to be doing. Yeah, there you go. Oh, okay, sweet. So yeah, it went through it. And let's try another thing. I'll try this one right here. Perfect. It is pretty sharp, And like I said, I got this for like, I think $1.50 or so. It's pretty good. So this would be good for like boxes and stuff. I don't know how dull the blade will get, but it's pretty sharp. I'm not gonna lie. And I really like that it's a key and you can like easily like use it. Look at that. The sharp corner of the edge that's what I actually care about. Using the sharp corner of the edge, and it cuts pretty good. Look at that. Easy. Usually you get blades that are not durable and stuff, but the fact that this one can cut through, it really makes a lot, I don't have a box with me right now, but later on I'll get one, and I'll use another video with it when how like some of the, like, when I get, or the AirPods, they didn't have that anymore. You just basically peel it off or tear it off. But yeah, guys, this is once again the key shape folding knife. I think this is a great aspect because it's like a 2-inch long. It's just perfect, which legally allows you to basically store it somewhere or keep it in a lanyard, which I'm gonna do for mine, because I'm always tearing boxes open, and instead of using scissors, which you can, but this kind of makes it easy. And let me see. Yeah. just got to be careful. You got to use this end right here, and it's set. Hopefully, the only thing I'm worried about, which I don't think it should, but like it has a pretty good durability here. I'm only worried about it folding halfway, but I'll find a way to sharpen this. Um, doesn't seem like much, but let me get closer to it. The sharp corner is what I really like. That's the most important. I'm trying to adjust to it. Yeah, and there it is, guys. Like I said, this is a good thing to have just in case, or if you're trying to reach something, or something is stuck, a gunk, or something is poking out of something. This is really good to like have or need to open. If you're a freaking box opener, this will help a lot. Plus, it has a little thing on it, and no one will even know that it's a blade unless like they really pay attention to it. They'll probably see this little blade coming out of it. I mean, because that's how I think that's as far as it goes. Yeah, that's how far as it goes. Because that way it can give you like a little thing of it. So, and like I said, the only thing is I don't want to have it on my keychain and then all of a sudden like it'll start to poke out. That's what I'm kind of afraid of. Like, but it looks like it has good grip. But the moment it starts doing that, where like I'm using my keychain and then it starts doing that, like I'm just gonna get rid of it because. Yeah, it's like you have a keychain, it's in your chest. Yeah, you don't want to like have that stab into you. So other than that, great keychain. It seems great quality. It's I don't know what kind of material. It looks like metal. Can't really steel, but you can hear that compared to plastic, but pretty good. All right, guys, that's it. This concludes the unboxing for the key-shaped folding knife. Once again, you can get it at Harbor Freight, like about $1.50. I know there was another one. I was gonna get the other one, but I didn't want to be too complicated. But this was like a good steal, like real good deal actually. I think I got it for $1.08. Actually, it was 99 cents. I remember now. It was 99 cents on a Black Friday, and like I said, regular price was like $1.80 or $2 or so. But this is it's a good choice, And I just wanted it because it was, it's like a key, so it kind of makes sense to have it in your lanyard, and I'll just keep it there. All right, guys, y'all have a good one, and we'll see you next time.